In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause downloads on YouTube Music. First, let's start by long pressing the YouTube Music icon on your home screen or app drawer. As you do this, you will notice that a menu will pop up displaying various options related to the app. This action is essential because it opens up the settings specific to YouTube Music. You need to access these settings to manage how the app behaves on your device. Once you long press the icon, take a moment to ensure you are selecting the correct icon, as this will lead you to the next crucial step in pausing your downloads. Next up, tap the App Info icon, which looks like a small eye inside a circle. This icon is typically found within the menu that appears after your long press. By selecting this, you will be directed to a screen that provides detailed information about the app. This includes its storage usage, permissions, and data consumption. Understanding this screen is valuable because it allows you to monitor and control how YouTube Music interacts with your device. Once you tap on the App Info icon, you will see various options available to manage the app settings. After that, you need to select either data usage or mobile data and Wi-Fi. This option will show you how the app uses data, both while connected to mobile networks and Wi-Fi. It is important to view this section as it helps you understand the data consumption of YouTube Music. Managing data usage not only assists in pausing downloads but can also prevent excess charges on your mobile plan. Once you select this option, you will be taken to a new screen where you can further modify the app's data settings. Now, toggle off the switch for background data. This action is crucial as it stops the app from using any network data to stream or download files when minimized. When background data is enabled, YouTube Music can continue to download songs or albums even when you are not actively using it. By toggling this switch off, you ensure that no downloads occur without your knowledge, giving you full control over your data usage. Once you flip this switch, you will see a confirmation appear, signaling that the background data access has been successfully restricted. In summary, we covered how to pause downloads on YouTube Music by long pressing the app icon, accessing the app info, navigating to data usage, and toggling off the background data switch. Each of these steps is designed to empower you with better control over your app and data usage. By following these steps, you not only pause the downloads, but also ensure that your data plan remains intact and under control. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.